Today, I'm going to show you how I made the tassels on this pillow. If you haven't seen the Redesign a Pillow video, I will place a link at the end of this video. You will need some yarn and some twine. Now, grab your yarn. I chose purple. I thought it would go really nice with both the gold and the teal. We're going to make some tassels for the corners. Grab yourself a piece of thin cardboard that is about twice as long as you want the tassels to be, and then fold it in half. As you can see, I put the cardboard up to the pillow to see about how long the tassel length should be, and then I fold it accordingly. So I'm just going to cut that extra piece off. We'll place a piece of yarn in our folded cardboard and then begin to wrap your yarn around the cardboard tassel maker. Once you feel like it's thick enough, pull the yarn we placed into the middle, to the open side of the folded cardboard, and tie it as tight as you can. Once you have that middle string tied really tight, go ahead and slide the rest of the yarn off of your cardboard, and you should end up with a bunch of little loops and maybe a couple little long pieces. Next, we are going to take our scissors and place it in the loops and snip it. You'll be using a piece of the middle piece of yarn and make a loop so that you can make a bit of a knot. Wrap the yarn around the bottom of the tassel to secure it before we add some gold. Just kind of check out what I'm doing here on the screen. It can be a little bit tricky, but once you have it all the way done, just use a small piece of hot glue to secure that end. Your tassels should look very similar to that. Then we're going to go ahead and cut the remaining pieces off. So we're going to make that tassel even, if you will. Or if you won't. I don't know. Don't make it even. I don't care. You'll want to take and fray up the yarn a little bit by pulling the little tiny pieces apart even further. It should make it just a little bit more fluffy and a little bit more soft. And once frayed, it should look very similar to that. Now we're going to glue rope around the base of the tassel, the same rope that we used to go around the perimeter of the pillow. Apply glue all around the entire base of the tassel and wrap quickly. Be sure to cover the bottom of the tassel with rope as well. My name's Angela, and I post videos on creative living. My channel is called Ms. Angela Sawyer, because, you know, I'm that bougé. I mean, Angela was actually taken. If you got value out of this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Also, check out the other videos and playlists on the screen. I highly suggest the hot glue embellishments video and the home decor playlist. In addition, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the thumbs up. And YouTube will start recommending a few videos like this one from other creators as well as myself. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.